You guys, look at there. Hi guys, welcome back to the kitchen. So today, how's everybody doing today? Good, cause your girl is back with another video. So today, you guys, we are gonna go and make us some buffalo hot wings with a different twist. But they still gonna be buffalo hot wings. So yeah, how we're gonna start this off is we have us some wings in this bowl, you guys. And we're going to put us a little paprika on here because we want to help color it, okay? And we got us some cayenne seasoning. Well, is it cayenne? I don't know. Cajun. No, it's not Cajun. Okay, but anywho. We also have the cayenne. But anywho, we just know it's spicy. Okay? So, and we're going to add us some black pepper. But we're going to add the buffalo wing sauce. Now what we're doing is we're gonna go on and make this marinate for a couple of hours. Well, I don't know, maybe 20 minutes at most if you're in a rush. But your girl is gonna go on and marinate these on up. Oh, you can smell the spiciness on this. Yes. Look at that color, you guys. Yeah. So we taking these up a notch. Okay? So, yeah. We're going to insert these over in a bag. And we're going to let these marinate. For me, it will be a couple of hours. For you, maybe 20 minutes at most. Okay, so these are going into the refrigerator, you guys. Let me take that glove off. And yeah, we'll see you in the cooking process. Okay, guys, so we're back. So here are our marinade buffalo wings, you guys. So we're gonna use the air fryer because it's definitely too hot to be turning on an oven. At least I think so. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and line this up with these wings. Oh, this is gonna be so delicious, you guys. So we took all the wings out, and yeah, we're gonna slide this on in our oven, you guys, just like so. We're gonna start the process. Gonna put it on chicken, and we're gonna let it do its thing. You guys, we will be back once our delicious wings has come to its peak, you guys. So if you're enjoying my videos, please thumbs it up. Subscribe to the channel. Help your girl go in another direction, you guys. Because all thumbs up count. And yeah, your girl will truly appreciate it. Okay guys, so we're gonna add a little butter to this pan. Just a little. Excuse the pots over here if you guys can see it. But I like to keep clean pots on my stove. Easy for me in my videos, you guys. And so we're gonna take the buffalo sauce and we're gonna add it just like so into this pan. Might as well add all of that, right? Because my daughter likes it saucy, you guys. She loves her buffalo sauce, you guys. So yeah. We're not going to add anything to it, just this butter. Because we want a dipping sauce. Okay guys, can you guys see it? And that's pretty much it. You can add extra seasoning if you like, but I think I added enough seasoning to those wings. What you guys think? If you got this far in the video, like I say, you guys, don't forget, thumbs me straight up, subscribe to the channel, and yeah, come join your girl. I am working diligently to get to 6,000, you guys, because I plan on giving away a nice prize. So one of these videos, I don't know which one, is gonna hold the questions that I ask. And I want everyone to get a chance to win. So let's take a look at these wings, you guys. Oh my heavens. You guys, check out that deliciousness. Oh my goodness. You guys, these are already done. No sweat in the kitchen. So we're going to take these out. Turn the air fryer off. And we're going to go ahead and we're going to plate these on here. Oh my goodness. You guys, look how easy they are coming off. And they're good and crispy. Oh my goodness. Look at that deliciousness. Okay guys, so we took our wings out. Now, here go our sauce again. And we're gonna turn it on low, because now we're gonna dump these wings right on over in this sauce. Yes, just like so. And we're gonna toss them. I'm gonna toss them on around. Such an easy way to do buffalo hot wings. Oh my goodness. We're going to turn it off. We're going to slide this back here. Why? Because we're going to put our pan right here. Wait. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and we're going to plate this on up. You guys, look at there. Delicious buffalo wings. So yes, there you have it. You can have these with your favorite dipping sauce. You can have these with your favorite dipping sauce. But there you have it. Buffalo style hot wings. And yes, if you've been in this video for the first time, so like I say, thumbs me up, help support the channel, and yeah, carry your girl to another level. You guys, I hope you enjoyed this recipe, and yeah, share it with everyone. And it's an all-time favorite appetizer, a party favorite, and an easy go-to meal. So, sending much love from my house to yours. Goodbye.